Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download the chess.com game on your PC. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in chess.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official chess.com game website. Now you can proceed with logging into your account if you wish to do so by clicking on the login button and then using your credentials. However, in order to install the game application, you can directly click on the three dots at the top right corner of your web browser and then hover over to apps. Then click on Install Chess, Play and Learn. And if you're using the Chrome browser, you will need to hover over to Save and Share and then click on Create Shortcut. Once you click on the respective install button, you will find the install option or the option to rename your application and the app icon. Proceed with whichever option you have, and then the application will open up in its own separate browser window. Make sure to click on Create Desktop Shortcut and then click on the Allow button. Then click on Yes, and now the application shortcut will be created on your desktop as well as your taskbar. You can double click on this shortcut to directly open up your chess game and enjoy it from your PC. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the chess.com application on your PC. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.